How would I describe the scent? I don't even know how to describe the scent. It smells... Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shakia if you are new here. And in today's video, I want to talk about skincare for sensitive skin. So if you are a person that claims that they have sensitive skin, this video is for you. So I first want to start out by saying that you probably don't have sensitive skin. I have clients that come in and they say that they have sensitive skin, but once I do a skin analysis, I figure out that their skin barrier is just extremely compromised. And you can compromise your skin barrier by using the wrong skincare products as well as using the wrong skincare practices. You can't just go buy and use all the skincare products that somebody on YouTube that is not qualified to treat skin to recommend products. Let's get into how I recommend that you take care of your skin if your skin is sensitive or if your skin's barrier has been compromised. So I always recommend to skip out on exfoliating for a little bit. It is recommended usually to exfoliate anywhere from 2 to 3 times a week. But for you, it is okay just to skip out on exfoliating for just a little bit until we can bring your skin's barrier back up to speed. Another thing that I recommend is using calming and soothing products and that your skin is hydrated and moisturized. So I'm going to go through each category. So cleanser. I'd recommend someone who feels like they have sensitive skin, that they have a compromised barrier, using a creamy cleanser. I love creamy cleansers, especially for those that have dry skin, but also creamy cleansers if you wear makeup. They help to remove the makeup thoroughly. I know that people feel like if it's not a foaming cleanser that it's not doing a great job, but a creamy cleanser does a great job at cleansing the face. You would apply it onto dry skin, massage the skin, take your time, and remove with a damp cloth. You don't want to just go in and just splash the face after you've put a creamy cleanser on your skin, because it's not going to remove all that cleanser, and that's probably the reason why you're thinking that the creamy cleanser isn't good. So one of the creamy cleansers that I recommend is the GlowTreatment Plus Mega Purifying Cleanser. This is one of my favorites. Well, it is my favorite, especially to remove makeup, but this is great. It smells great too. There is the Skin Script Pomegranate Antioxidant Cleanser, which is great as well. But if you're the person that needs a foaming cleanser, I have a foaming cleanser for you as well. The Image Skincare Hormetic Balancing Facial Cleanser, another one of my favorites. It's a mild gel cleanser. It suds up, but your skin will not feel stripped after washing your face. And just a heads up, your skin should not feel squeaky clean after washing your face. Anyway, that's another reason why your skin barrier might be compromised. How would I describe the scent? I don't even know how to describe the scent. It smells like really good though. It's not like overpowering anything. The next category, toners. I love a good hydrating toner. I recommend hydrating toners to everybody, and you have a few choices when it comes to hydrating toners. I love the GlowTreatment Plus CBD B3 facial mist. If you follow me on Instagram, then you would have saw my reels on it. But CBD is great in balancing the skin. It also has niacinamide in that facial mist as well. The GlowTreatment Plus also has a skin recovery mist that's also great. One that I recommend a lot to my clients is the Skin Script Cucumber Hydration Toner, which contains hyaluronic acid in there, which is great for the skin. For serums, I'd recommend the GlowTreatment Plus Living Cell Clarifier, the Image Skincare balancing antioxidant serum. Antioxidants are great for your skin and a must in your skin regimen. I also love the Image Skincare Ageless Hyaluronic Acid Filler Serum. Love that. Like, your skin will be so hydrated. The Living Cell Clarifier, it also helps with pigmentation, so it's like more on the natural side. So you have your antioxidants in there, as well as your brighteners to help fight pigmentation and fade existing pigmentation. For moisturizers, I would recommend the Image Skincare Ormetic, and you've heard that a lot in this video already, but the Ormetic line is great when balancing the skin. Love that line. Image Skincare's Ormetic Balancing Biopeptide Cream, love it. It melts into your skin, a little goes a long way. As well as the Image Skincare Vital C Hydrating Repair Cream, love it. Vitamin C is great for the skin, especially when fighting pigmentation. The next skincare tip that I have for you is consistency and patience. This skincare journey it might get ugly sometimes, but you are going to want to push through, because once you get past the ugly phase, then you'll get to the beautiful phase. But it's all a beautiful journey. But the journey to healthy skin is all a beautiful journey if you think about it. Your skin health, the way your skin looks, the way your skin feels, and the way that you glow. So just be patient. Don't try to rush. Don't try to switch up the products so quickly. See if the product works for you first, and if it's been some time and the products you feel like aren't working for you, then speak with your esthetician about maybe trying something else. And then when you are ready, start incorporating exfoliating into your skincare regimen. And you don't want to jump right in, and you don't want to use a bunch of products with exfoliants in there all at once. You want to maybe try one product and slowly ease your way into that product, like once a week, and then twice a week, and then 3 times a week. And it's all right if you can't exfoliate 3 times a week. Maybe you can only exfoliate twice a week. That's all right too. Listen to your skin. Listen to your skin. I do take virtual clients, so if you are not in my area, then definitely click the link below and book an appointment. And I'll leave links to all these products down below in my description box. That is it that I have for you today in this video. If you have any questions, comment down below, and I'll see you in my next one.